In this video, I'm going to show you how to have small talk with women so that you can make a great first impression and maybe even take things further. Now, some of you might be thinking, I don't know what to say, but trust me, that's not as big of a deal as you'd think. You see, having small talk with a girl is all about making her feel comfortable and getting her interested in you. So if you're ready, let's jump right in. The first thing that you want to do is start with a smile and make eye contact. This will help put her at ease and show that you're interested in what she has to say. Let's say you're at a party and you spot a cute girl across the room. You want to go up and talk to her, but you're not sure how to start. So you take a deep breath, put on your best smile, and make eye contact. This immediately puts her at ease and lets her know that you're interested in talking to her. Next, introduce yourself. This is your opportunity to let her know who you are and start building that connection. When you introduce yourself, you want to make a good first impression. Smile and make eye contact to show that you're friendly and interested in getting to know her. Start with your name and then give a brief overview of who you are. Keep it lighthearted. This is just the beginning of the conversation after all. You want to leave her wanting more. You might say something like, "Hi, I'm Joe. I'm a voiceover artist and I love creating pop arts." After that, it's time to compliment her. Women love compliments, and it will help break the ice and show that you're interested in getting to know her better. When you give a compliment, make sure it's genuine and specific. For example, you might say, "I love your dress," or "You have such beautiful eyes." Something like, "You're hot" is not going to cut it, trust me. She's heard it before, and she knows you're just trying to flatter her. Be genuine, be specific, and she'll be sure to appreciate it. Now that you've broken the ice, it's time to keep the conversation going. To do that, you want to ask open-ended questions. These are questions that can't be answered with a simple yes or no. They encourage her to share more about herself and give you a chance to learn more about her. For example, you might ask, "What's your major?" or "What are your hobbies?" These are great questions that will help you get to know her better. But avoid getting too personal. This is still small talk after all. You don't want to make her feel uncomfortable by asking too many personal questions. As you're talking, be sure to show that you're interested in what she has to say. Nod your head and make eye contact to let her know that you're listening. This will encourage her to keep talking and help build that connection between you two. You can also mirror her body language. If she's standing with her arms crossed, you might cross your arms as well. If she's leaning in, you lean in too. This helps create a rapport between you and makes her feel more comfortable. During the conversation, there will be moments of silence. That's perfectly normal, don't freak out. Just take a deep breath and give her a chance to respond. These awkward silences usually happen when one person is waiting for the other to talk. So, if you're not sure what to say next, just ask another question. It's also important to keep the conversation short and sweet. You don't want to bore her or make her feel like they're being interrogated. So ask a few questions, exchange a few pleasantries, and then move on. This will help keep the conversation flowing and prevent any awkward silences. Finally, you want to end the conversation on a positive note. Thank her for talking to you and let her know that you enjoyed the conversation. This will leave her with a positive impression of you and make her more likely to want to talk to you again in the future. Now, here are some bonus tips that will help you become a pro in no time. If you're feeling nervous, take a deep breath and relax. She's just another person and you're both just here to talk. There's nothing to be nervous about. Be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not. She'll be able to see right through it and it will only make things more awkward. Listen more than you talk. This will help you learn more about her and make her feel like she's being heard. Keep the conversation light and fun. You don't want to get too personal or heavy right away. If the conversation starts to lull, don't be afraid to bring up a new topic. Just because you're talking about one thing doesn't mean you can't change the subject. And finally, have fun. Small talk is an opportunity to meet new people and learn new things, so enjoy it and make the most of it. That's it. Those are my tips on how to have small talk with women. Just remember to start with a smile, be genuine, and be interested in what she has to say. If you do that, you'll be sure to make a great impression. If you found this helpful and would like to learn more, be sure to check out our other videos on how to improve your social skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.